For this next programming assignment, we are going to do lesson 2, how to repeat all the way up through this dot. This is the 7th dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th dot in this sequence right here. So you need to do through the 7th dot, right there. Okay, lesson 2. Go through the 7th dot. Turn all these boxes blue. Turn the circles blue. And when you get to this one right here, you're going to maybe want to come back and take a look at my code. Here is my code. Stop this video right now if you want to try it without seeing my code, right? But here's just one more explanation. You'll get the explanation that Dave, the guy who's teaching this intro to computer science programming stuff, will give you. But if you want to hear my definition, this is it right now. If you don't, stop this video and go try it yourself. So I defined a function, a procedure here, where I said find second, right? So I called this procedure find second. So I want to find the second occurrence of a word, right? And I'm going to search this string. So I'll pass in a string to search, and I'll pass in what I want to search it for. So string to search for this. And when I pass that in, I'm going to return string to search dot find. So here's the string to search. I'm going to use the find function. And what am I going to find? I'm going to look for all of this. And if you look inside here, what's going on? Here's what I'm searching for, right? Here's search for this. And where am I going to search for it? Where am I going to start? Well, I'm going to start from the position after I've already found it. So I'm going to again call the string to search find and search for this to find it the first time. And that will give me the location within the string of the first time I find it. And then I'm going to add 1 to that. So instead of starting right here, which would find the first position again, I'm going to start right there. So when this procedure runs, it first evaluates the inside of the parentheses. And it says, okay, I'm going to look at this string and use the find function. And I'm going to search for that. And it says that occurs at this position, right? Which would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I say, okay, add 1 to that, and that becomes 6. So all this becomes 6, and then this runs here, and it says search for this starting at position 6, right? And so position 6 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it starts here. And when it starts here, does it find, right, Audace? No, it doesn't find it until right here, which is the second position. And now when I call this procedure, so I'm going to say print, and then I'm going to call this procedure, right? So call this procedure, and I'm going to pass Danton into string search, and Danton is this, right? So this stuff right here gets passed in as that, because that's what I'm passing in into this procedure is the first argument. And then I'm going to pass in the second argument, this string Audace. And so it's going to search for that, right, when I pass that in. And so when I run that, it should tell me 25. And then when I run this one and I pass in Twister as the string to search, right? And I pass in she as the search for this, it should return those numbers. And when I run this, 25 and 13, it gives me those numbers. So that's my solution. Just type the code, even if you don't understand it, because by typing it, you'll learn it. And if you get errors, just keep comparing. What did I leave out? How do I fix it? If you get stuck, come see me during office hours. You're learning a new skill. That's why maybe if it's a little bit challenging for you, that's a good thing, right? When I first started learning to play the guitar, those chords were kind of hard. And then after a while, it starts to click. It's like learning a second language. After a while, you'd be like, yo, bring me another beer, or whatever you want to say in Spanish. Go for it.